We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the Dinosaur Boys Room light switch cover plate, kids' decorative nursery, teen, toddler room decor, bedroom, bathroom, playroom in the Dino Roar design by Create a Mural. If you have this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Let us dive into what users love and dislike about this unique decorative light switch cover, exploring its features, performance, usability, and overall impression. The Dinosaur Boys Room light switch cover plate is designed to transform an ordinary light switch into a playful and engaging decorative accent for children's rooms. Manufactured by Create a Mural, a brand known for its creative and exclusive designs, this switch plate is intended for a wide range of spaces, including nurseries, toddler and teen bedrooms, bathrooms, and playrooms. The Dino Roar variant features a colorful printed dinosaur motif that appeals to both young children and parents seeking to add a fun, thematic touch to their child's environment. The switch plate measures 3 inches wide by 5 inches high, making it a mid-size option that fits most standard single toggle light switches. It is constructed from durable plastic, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. One of the most frequently praised aspects of this product is its visual appeal. Reviewers consistently mention the bright, bold colors and the attention to detail in the dinosaur design. The artwork is described as vibrant and engaging, with many parents noting that it instantly brightened up their child's room and complemented various dinosaur or adventure-themed decor schemes. The playful design is not only attractive to children but also adds a cheerful and personalized touch to the room, making it feel more inviting and tailored to the child's interests. The fact that the screws are printed to match the design is a small but significant detail that enhances the overall aesthetic and ensures a seamless look once installed. Installation is another area where this product receives high marks. Users report that the process is extremely straightforward and can be completed in under a minute. The package includes all necessary hardware, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. The screw-in installation method is familiar to most homeowners and requires only a standard screwdriver. Because the plate is made of plastic, it is lightweight and easy to handle, further simplifying the installation process. Many reviewers appreciate that the product is ready to use right out of the box, with no additional tools or modifications required. Durability and ease of maintenance are also highlighted in customer feedback. The plastic material is described as sturdy enough to withstand daily use, even in high-traffic areas like children's bedrooms and playrooms. Parents note that the plate holds up well to the occasional bumps and knocks that are inevitable in a child's environment. Cleaning is as simple as wiping the surface with a damp cloth, which is especially important for products used in spaces frequented by young children. The printed design does not easily fade or scratch, maintaining its vibrant appearance over time. A recurring theme in user reviews is the positive impact this light switch cover has on children. Parents report that their toddlers and young children are fascinated by the colorful design and often become more interested in using the light switch independently. For some, the switch cover becomes a focal point in the room, sparking conversations about dinosaurs and encouraging imaginative play. Several reviewers mention that their children now look forward to turning the lights on and off, which can be particularly helpful when establishing routines or encouraging independence in daily tasks. Affordability is another strong selling point. Many customers mention that the switch plate is priced competitively, making it an accessible option for families looking to update their child's room decor without a significant investment. The combination of quality, design, and price is cited as a major reason for high satisfaction levels among buyers. Some reviewers even express intentions to purchase additional plates for other rooms or as gifts for friends and family members with young children. The product's origin and manufacturing process are also appreciated by some buyers. The fact that the switch plate is printed in the USA and comes from a small business resonates with customers who prefer to support local companies and value products made with care and attention to detail. The unique trademark design further sets this item apart from generic alternatives available on the market, giving buyers confidence that they are purchasing something special and exclusive. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where users express minor reservations. The most common critique relates to the material of the switch plate. While the plastic construction is durable and easy to clean, some customers indicate a preference for a harder plastic or even a metal option, citing concerns about long-term durability or a desire for a more premium feel. However, most reviewers note that the current material is more than adequate for its intended use, and that it has held up well in their experience. Another minor point mentioned by a small number of users is the fit of the plate. While the vast majority report a perfect fit for standard single toggle switches, there are occasional comments about the plate being slightly larger or smaller than expected. These instances appear to be rare and may be attributable to variations in switch sizes or installation methods rather than a flaw in the product itself. The versatility of the design is a notable advantage. Although marketed primarily for boys' rooms, the Dino Roar theme is broad enough to appeal to a wide range of children and decor styles. The playful dinosaur motif works well in nurseries, toddler rooms, and even spaces for older children or teens who enjoy whimsical or adventure-themed decor. The plate's neutral yet vibrant color palette allows it to blend seamlessly with a variety of wall colors and room furnishings, making it a flexible choice for parents redecorating or updating their child's space. In terms of safety, the product meets expectations for a child-friendly accessory. The edges are smooth and rounded, minimizing the risk of accidental scratches or injuries. The plastic material is free from sharp corners, and the installation process ensures that the plate is securely fastened to the wall, reducing the likelihood of it becoming loose or detached over time. The overall impression from aggregated reviews is one of high satisfaction and strong recommendation. Parents and caregivers consistently praise the combination of attractive design, ease of installation, durability, and affordability. The switch plate is seen as an easy and effective way to personalize a child's room, add a touch of fun, and encourage engagement with everyday tasks. The positive impact on children's interest in their environment and the sense of ownership it fosters are frequently mentioned as unexpected, but welcome benefits. For those considering this product, it is important to note that the switch plate is sold as a cover only and does not include the actual light switch mechanism. It is designed to fit standard single toggle switches, so buyers should verify compatibility with their existing fixtures before purchasing. The product dimensions are 3 inches wide by 5 inches high, and the package includes matching screws for a cohesive look. The plate is lightweight, weighing less than 1 ounce, and does not require batteries or additional components. The Dinosaur Boys Room Light Switch cover plate has received an impressive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 600 customer ratings. It ranks highly in its category, reflecting its popularity and positive reception among buyers. The product's availability since June 2021 has allowed ample time for feedback and refinement, and the consistently high ratings suggest that it continues to meet or exceed customer expectations. In summary, the Dino Roar light switch cover from Create a Mural stands out as a fun, functional, and affordable accessory for children's rooms. Its vibrant design, ease of installation, and durable construction make it a favorite among parents and children alike. While some may prefer a different material for a more premium feel, the overall quality and value of the product are widely recognized. The attention to detail, including matching screws and exclusive artwork, sets this switch plate apart from generic alternatives and adds a personalized touch to any space. If you are looking for a simple yet impactful way to update your child's room decor, this product is highly recommended. Remember, if you have used this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Thank you for considering the Dinosaur Boys Room Light Switch cover plate by Create a Mural for your home.